be faster because people drive quick, but yeah. Do you guys like the hair? I was going for a peekaboo. You look at peekaboo on one side and then flip over on one side because it's black and then green. But yeah. Hallelujah, praise God. The speed bumps are really bumpy. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun. We're actually gonna have so much fun. I will anyways, don't know about everybody else, but I will. It's 5:37 now. Been on the road for a minute. Why is she shouting? Oh, shut up. Her voice has been elevated this entire day and there's no reason. Literally, yeah. Oh, you have to introduce yourself to my vlog. Hold on.
Hello.
Tell them your name.
My name is Lavaya.
Where are we?
We're in Jamaica in a hotel.
In a hotel, yeah. Yeah, mate. Okay, oh, we gotta go this way. Come on, Ham. Nah, this is nice, this is nice, this is nice. I know you didn't leave my bags out there. Crispy. I have to vlog, Misha. Yeah, man! Yeah, man!
Hey, what are you telling me?
Oh, Bomba.
This is my bag.
Oh, what's that? Oh, fuck, it's locked.
Right,
there you go.
guys, you need to be responsible for these. I need to take pictures.
Hatinadi's dunya. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, the light flickerings are scaring me, but I'm gonna have to put night mode onto this. I'll do both. This is my outfit for our first dinner. We're gonna compare quality of the night mode and then the normal recording mode, but we'll see. Yeah, ate that. We just finished. Food. Yeah.
I'm about to go back to the room because we're tired.
How was the food?
It was, I give it 5 out of 10.
Damn.
It wasn't the best.
Pros and cons.
It was. Ooh. The only thing nice was the chips and the potato salad.
They did have a variety though. Smart mode is eating because you can actually see. I'm talking in it. Oh, I'm gonna have to turn my iPad on. It's so far. But day 1 was basically wasted, but day 2 will not be wasted whatsoever. By force and fire, we'll actually do some stuff. Apparently, according to our cousin, we're gonna be on the beach tomorrow. So hopefully that's good. They got loads of pools and beaches here, so we're yet to explore. So we're gonna explore and actually see what's going on. And yeah.
I know that's right.
The room is so fun. Have you not passed it?
No. That was free.
Our bathroom door won't open for some reason. I think that handle fell off. But it's okay. Oh, it'll get fixed. Whoop. 1 more, 2 more, 3 more. We literally just done a full 360. Pretty much. Not her taking a photo. Oh.
Oh my god, that scared me.
Who is it?
Me.
Oh, Scary. Hello.
Oh, hiya.
Sorry. Oh. This is the bikini. I look so bloated. But this is the bikini. I'm gonna wear a romper to go over it. And then yeah, I got my belly button redone. because she got yanked out like a year ago. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna finish getting ready, take some photos, and then I will update you when we meet up with the rest. Sorry, I'm getting distracted by the music, but yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. This girl walks so fast. This is downstairs. We didn't film much yesterday because it was so dark. But deep in our room's somewhere all the way over there. Okay guys, we're at breakfast. This is Misha. I don't even think she's ever been to breakfast. You should say hi to the vlog. Yeah guys, we're just at breakfast. So far there's 8 of us. But we're gonna go to the beach soon. We just found out that we can do a boat cruise with snorkeling from the hotel. So we didn't even need to leave the hotel anymore, because that was one of the excursions that we wanted to do. But now, we could just do it from here. And it's like $60, $70. I keep forgetting that my camera's in English time. So it's saying it's 3:55 over in the UK. And it's only 9:54 here. But yeah, I'm trying to get like a video of like the scenery, but I'm so scared to put my camera up. I don't know why. I really need to get over this fright.
I don't mind doing that.
Yeah, like I wanna.
I love having the camera.
Yeah, but I feel like if there's too much people, they start ducking and diving. But you know, I'm actually trying to film good this time, and it's gonna be better than the last Jamaica vlog I did. That was my first one, so yeah. Guys, so it's raining. Yeah. Lovely bit of rain. Oh, there's water on the camera. Everyone's hiding because it's raining. So this is like the main pool. I think that's a gym over there, and then they got a fitness center. Ah, okay. Oh, so when you mean that on the right is the adult bit? Yeah. Look at the ocean. We got RIU fitness if you want to get fit. Oh, I got my towel. It literally rained for 5 minutes. And now it's not raining. Okay, yeah, it is. The camera is wet up. I need to put on the waterproof casing. But I feel like if I put the waterproof casing on, the sounding is going to be mad. Ooh. The bar. Let's move down a bit. Thank you. Thank you.
What do you smell it for?
Thank you. Thank you. It's so pretty. It's hot in November. Why is everything so far away? They got a water sports centre over in the far right. Yeah. to join the competition. I think we have to run on water. They said we get a prize if we do it, so scary. So Tara's gonna record it for us. Hold on.
Mommy said I can't do it.
No, but do you think she'll be able to run across the water?
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, but can your mum?
Yeah.
Okay, if he says that.
Ladies and gentlemen, when I say 3, he's gonna go. When I say 1, you say 2, and on 3, he's gonna go. Let's go. 1.
Test!
Sounding good. I said I'm gonna say 3. So let's go again. 1.
Test!
1.
Test!
3. Let's go. Come on, Devin, run. Oh, come on, get up. Get up. Run. Oh. Now he didn't make it to the end. But that was a 6-second run. But he didn't make it to the end. We're gonna go in line to kids. Now in the lead. Come on, tell me. Hi. Hello. Give me your name, girl. Tiara from Bristol. Well, England. You could have just said that. On 3, let's go. 1,
Test!
3, go.
Go!
Go. Get up, girl. Run. She can't get up. Come on, girl. Come on. Over. Watch out. Any day, no. But it's okay. Your time is 22 seconds. Misha from UK. You want to do it in your glasses, girl? You can't see. Oh. You ready, girl? On 3. 1.
Test!
1.
Test!
3. Go. Go, Misha. Come on, Misha. Let's go. Go, Misha. Go, Misha. Go, Misha. Roll, Misha, roll. Roll, Misha, roll. Roll, Misha, roll. Is she moving? She's moving. Over, Misha. Get over. You okay, girl? Yeah? Alright, so your time is 24 seconds. Tell me your name. Oh, Tim from Dallas. Alright, come on, Tim. You ready? You ready? Yeah, so he said he can do this in 5 seconds, guys. So we're gonna see. You ready, Tim? Alright, on 3, let's go. 1.
2!
1. 3, let's go. Run. Oh my, come on, Tim. There is no. Get up. Get up. It's time. Tim, next time you don't talk if you ain't gonna do what you say you're gonna do. Your time is 7.35 seconds. Almost be the time.
Someone catch her! Misha! Yeah, Lily! Yes, Lily, you did it!
It's so pretty. Let me see if I can zoom in without messing it up. But we're at the neon party and they're doing face paint and then they're doing a photo. They're doing a photo booth. Where did Tasia go? Oh, she's sitting down. And then they're doing makeup over there. Oh, let's zoom out. It got stuck in my teeth. But guys, we're all wearing our coordinated colours. I'm not gonna call no names, but somebody copied my colour. And then there's Lulu. Not me on her big back blocking my camera.
Why you alone so nice?
Why do I look so nice?
Yeah.
I always look nice.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Got to dress for the occasion.
Eh?
Have to dress for the occasion.
You look nice just for the occasion?
I look nice all the time.
Okay.
But I'm on holiday, so.
Jesus Christ. I guess I have to go on holiday to look nice too.
Well, you're already on holiday. You're in paradise.
Hell no. Hey, hi.
What's your name?
Shrek. I mean, I'm Dale. That's my name. My secret name is Dale.
Can I put it down? Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Remember, Susan, my friend today. I had a small brush.
Who took it?
Hey, my bro, G.
Yeah, let me do some. Me.
What's your name?
Dale.
Yeah, man.
Who your name was Shrek?
Let me on the then.
Oh, you're an artist.
When you leaving?
In 2 weeks' time.
What? You're rich?
Yeah.
Jesus! No problem, Daddy. Yeah, take care.
Do you like it? Hi. Let's see your one. Turn to the side. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh. Whose phone are we going to use? Are we going to use our own? Oh, look at you. Told you you would glow. Anyways, Mum, are you coming in or not? We're gonna have to bribe someone to take our photo. We just took family photos in front of the light. Oh, it hurt my bumper. But hold on. It looks good. Now we're going to the party. I have to turn on Ultra night mode or you guys won't be able to see anything. So someone's playing the saxophone.
Are you guys ready to party? You ready to party? Alright, so right now, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. My name is Chase. I'm going to be the host for this one.
from the neon party. It's bedtime. Can't lie, the body clock is not cooperating right now. So tomorrow we're waking up, having breakfast, and then we're gonna see if we can go on our first excursion. But yeah, I'm tired. My feet hurt. And the resort is so big, so literally everything is like a mile away. Everything hurts. And there's only like one lift to our side of the building, so it's just bare people. But oh, bedtime for me. Update is tomorrow. What am I gonna wear?